It's done. Oh, that turned out awesome. Okay, so how does this go together? So the gear, there's a gear here. Okay, so that goes in there like this. Oh, there, look at that. So when you open this, it pulls those two out. That's so cool. Okay, and then this. There's your book. And then we have a ribbon. Does that snap in or do I need to go? Snaps in. So put it in there like that. There it is. Have someone in your life who loves Switch games. This kind of has a theme of Zelda. It's gorgeous. And then you crack it open and you put 3 Switch games in here and it'll pull these two out some so you can see all 3 of them. And then it latches closed. That is so sick. It turned out awesome. This is for my son, who is a big gaming guy and loves this stuff. Crusader did an amazing job with this design. This is the Crusader's Tome Nintendo Switch game case. And I found it on thangs.com, and you do have to purchase this model.